Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. We do not see the big changes here either compared to the euro currency. Well, right now market has reached the MACD predictor line. We have discussed this briefly yesterday. So theoretically market could form the grabber for instance, and it will put the possible context and foundation for upward action taken out of this top. But guys, to be honest, of course I do not know what will happen on the Yellen speech on Thursday, what will happen on farm payrolls release. But by taking a look at pure technical moments, first of all, take a look that this strong candle that has been formed here has been totally erased. That's not very good sign, especially when market reaches the just minor extension, the 618 extension of this A, B, C bottom pattern. And when it does it with this acceleration, usually it should pass through it as it no exists. So usually when the market shows such sort of action very fast, in most cases it directly moves to the 100% extension. Or at least if it somehow turns to some retracement, this retracement should not be deep. After such sort of action, just to the minor target, this retracement, almost the 618 retracement, seems a bit too extended. So on the technical moment, market looks a bit heavy. And even if market will form here the grabber, well, maybe it will work, but somehow I think that we will not get it. So it seems that market really could close today below the MACD line. Anyway, we will see what will happen. But right now market stands below the monthly pivot point. Today's last September session, and market stands right now below the monthly pivot point. So on the daily time frame chart, we will be watching for the trend shifting and the possible appearing of the grabber. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we will continue to monitor our head and shoulders pattern. So left shoulder already in place, head. By the moving to the downside, market has erased the thrusting candle that looks bearish. And right now market is calling around weekly pivot support 1 and monthly pivot point slightly higher than the major 618 support 1120 area. Here guys, we have the hint on the possible starting of the upward action and possible creation of the right shoulder. Because if you'll take a look at the MACD, we do not have yet the crossing of the MACD, we do not see yet the shifting of the trend bullish. But take a look, we see here a hidden divergence. So here lows stand a bit higher, while here the bottom stands lower. That's the hidden divergence of the MACD that suggests a possible upward action. That stands very stands in accordance with this head and shoulders, possible head and shoulders pattern, because the hinting of the possible upward action by the divergence means possible starting of the right shoulder. That potentially should have the top right around the weekly pivot point, somewhere in this area. Okay. Another support of this idea we could see on the hourly chart. So if you take a look at the hourly chart, you will see that market has completed this ABC top 1618 extension. Right at the 1122, market has hit the target, and from that standpoint, the upward action also seems absolutely reasonable. That's why, guys, today we will start to watch for possible upward action. And maybe it will become the right shoulder of our head and shoulders pattern. Also, a lot of will depend on what we will get on the daily chart with this area, whether we will get the grabber or not, what action we will see, and that becomes probably the major point in the short-term perspective from the gold market. So we will see the grabber here. Well, that will be additional risk for possible failure of the head and shoulders, and if market will move here above the top or break the harmony of the head and shoulders, that will definitely say that market will continue to move higher. If market will not get the will not show the grabber, market will just shift the trend bearish here, and will break the harmony of this head and shoulders. Market will move above the top of the left shoulder. That will, if market will not get will not create the grabber on the daily and will form this head and shoulders, well, in this case we will be ready for a bearish action, and our next destination first is bottom, but potentially due to the patterns that we have in the high time frames, this will be probably the 1050 area. So let's keep watching.